as I can see. So I want to
Yes.
know about my fluency. Tell
Your
me something about.
fluency is excellent, Anuj. You understood everything that I said.
It increases your metabolism.
Your metabolism.
Okay, you can also say, and another word. I'm sorry, but I don't remember. Yes.
No worries. Do you know the word in your native language?
Mm, yes, I know.
Maybe you can
I
type
know.
it and we look at the translation.
It's no, it's little difficult for me too because if I take the app back, so maybe the connection, because I'm using my phone
Hmm.
and you're talking on your computer, I think.
Of course, we have to tutor from a computer. Yes.
Yes.
So, okay, I
So
understand.
very
So,
good
how
word, but I don't know. I don't. I'm unable to remember at this time.
no worries, Anuj.
But okay, you
So, I had a
understood me.
question. So you said a cup of milk with
Okay.
turmeric. So how much turmeric do you add to the milk?
I told you it's like a half teaspoon,
Half a
or maybe you
teaspoon.
can. Okay, or maybe you can use a
Just a
pinch of
pinch.
turmeric powder.
Very
It
little.
it differs. It differs according to children, or maybe grown-ups, or
Okay.
sometimes elders. Yes.
Mm-hmm. Maybe
So
how big you are or something. Your
yes.
size. Okay. And do you drink this every day?
So to be honest with you, at this time I don't take it. I don't drink every day. Okay, but whenever I have a chance, I get a chance, I drink it.
Okay. I understand. So you usually
And
just drink water. Yeah.
yes, and I'll highly recommend you too to drink it if possible for you.
I'll certainly try it. I
Yes.
appreciate the recommendation. And next time I
Okay,
get sick, maybe I can try
and
it.
tell me, do you use milk or not?
So I drink coffee with milk every morning.
Okay, so how do you get the milk? I mean the source. You buy it or how?
Yes. So here in Colombia, I buy like it's about this big. It's a carton of milk,
Okay,
but
it's like
it's
a
not
small
whole milk.
packet, sealed,
Um,
packed
it's
milk.
probably like a liter, maybe a
Mm-hmm.
liter of milk.
Yes,
Um, and
quantity.
and it's I guess it's something similar to what we would call 2% milk in the US. So it's not whole milk. And
Yeah.
I usually drink a little bit of this every morning. And in the night, I mean at night, it's not milk, but I it's a dairy product. I often eat cereal with yogurt. I
Okay,
I really
that's
like
good.
yogurt. Yeah.
So you're from USA.
I'm from the US. Yes.
You're from
Yeah,
the US and you're in Colombia at this time. And
exactly.
how long have you been here in Colombia?
Let's see, how long have you been there in Colombia?
Okay.
Because here would be in India. Yeah. So,
Right.
mhm. I've been in
Okay.
Colombia since October 2017. So a
Mm-hmm.
little over 5 years, maybe like 5.5 years.
Right.
Yes.
It it's gonna complete in October. It will be like 6 years.
And yes, I will complete 6 years in October. Exactly. And right now, Anuj, I'm planning a trip to the UK.
Okay.
One of my friends is getting married in Wales. Do you know this
Oh,
country?
yes,
Wales.
I know.
Yes, because she's Welsh. That's her home country.
Wells
And
in England.
it's in the UK. Yeah. One of
Not
the
exactly in
countries.
England.
Yeah.
Right.
It's
But
next to
different.
England. Hmm.
Yes.
Exactly. It's just a few hours from London, to be honest. It's not far. So I will be going
Okay.
there next month. I'm very excited. Mm, yes. Have you been to the UK?
No, never, never.
Okay.
But
Have
hopefully
you?
in future.
Mhm. Yeah.
Hopefully in future.
Have you been abroad before?
So yes, I can say, but Nepal. You know about Nepal.
Nepal?
So Nepal is a neighbor country for us, right in the north of my country. So I visited there, but I don't consider Nepal as abroad, because it is, but in reality, I don't consider, because we don't need any document or visa or something like that.
Do you find
So
there are a
it's like
lot of
free for us.
cultural? Sorry. Go ahead. Mhm.
Yes, it's free for us Indians, okay, to
Mhm.
go there. And mostly Indians are there. I mean, if I'm correct, okay, or maybe I'm incorrect, maybe I'm wrong for the data. It's like 30 or 35% people, especially in the south of Nepal, are Indians.
Oh, okay. And did you go to the south?
Yes, generally.
Okay. So you've been
Yes,
to Nepal a few times.
yes. And also the parents of my mom, they are from Nepal.
Okay, so my grandparents.
Yes.
My grandparents. Okay. I understand. And do you think there are many cultural differences between India and Nepal?
Uh, yes, but from the people who live in the south, there's not much differences. But if you visit the north part or west, okay, or maybe in the east part of Nepal, then you can feel the difference, okay,
I mean, there are
in
many
this place.
cultures within India. Yeah.
Okay, Granny, I would say that we have just a few seconds as I can see. So I want to
Yes.
know about my fluency. Tell
Your
me something about.
fluency is excellent, Anuj. You understood everything that I said. Yes, you were able to
Thank you.
respond. You only made a few mistakes. I just recommend that you look over them. But your pronunciation's very clear. You're doing a great job.
Thank you so much. Because I only talk in English when I talk with tutors, okay? And in
Mhm.
generally, we use Hindi and Mathli language at home.
Okay, I see. Well, you're doing a great job, Anuj. Nice to meet you. Bye.
Thank you so much. See you soon. Take care.